let's see. I think it's recording. You're done, Miss Jessica. You're done. You're done. How does it feel to be done?
Refreshing, exciting, motivated, definitely motivating. So yeah, I'm finished. It's been
I
a
love
nice
it.
new road.
Listen, what was the hardest part about your training?
Just kind of getting organized with all the different vendors. That was kind of like a lot to take in.
What was the easiest part about training?
All the information you provide, helping us be able to get organized. They haven't given us the resources to be able to go and organize.
We try. So listen, can you tell everybody about your brand? Because, all agents have different brands and, different niches. Tell everybody about your brand.
So Zenway Travel is designed for those that want to relax. We are zenned out. We are, what are we doing? We are traveling internationally. We are creating wellness trips. We are just experiencing the world, one zenned out trip at a time.
I love this, Miss Jessica. So listen, I can't wait to see you flourish. Like, you've been working hard on your pre-orientation. You've been a rock star from the beginning. Like, you've been working really, really fast. I'm super proud of you and your brand. And I know that you guys are gonna go places. Like, I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to continue to help you. You already know that you need me. I'm only a phone call, text message, smoke signal away. But I can't wait. Like, what are you looking forward to with your new travel business?
Building these group travels. Yes. Building these groups and getting on a couple cruises, because
where y'all going
those
first?
are my favorite. Yes.
Where y'all going to first?
I don't know. We're gonna check the suppliers and see who got the best deals for us. That's where we're gonna start.
Check 3.
Yes.
Well, Ms. Jessica, like I said before, I'm so proud of you, and I just can't wait. I cannot wait. If you need, just phone and call me, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for your help, Ms. Tyra.
Thank you, and thank you for choosing Mommy and We Travels and Travelpreneur Dreams. And I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
All right, you have a good day too.